Some words end with an E, and this can affect their pronunciation. We're going to look at two common examples of this today. Firstly, an E at the end of a word can change the pronunciation of the vowel before it. Bit is a short I sound, and bite is a long I sound. Mat is a short A sound, and mate is a long A sound. However, there are many exceptions to this rule. Love, come, some, and have all have E's at the end, but the vowel sound is short. Here's another rule. When a word ends with consonant plus LE, we add an ul sound to the word. Little, circle, able. These are two easy rules for pronouncing words ending with a silent E. They should make things simple for you when reading new words.